Welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen. Today I have my little helper here and we're going to show you 2 ways to make a kefir smoothie. Let's get started. Are you ready for a kefir smoothie?
The first smoothie we'll be making is a strawberry kefir smoothie. In a blender, pour 2 cups of plain homemade kefir or store-bought kefir. Add in 1 cup of frozen strawberries, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and lastly add in maple syrup to taste. Blend it up and then pour it in a glass. My daughter gets so excited about having her kefir smoothie. This is something we have every day and it's something I can feel good about. Kefir has so many health benefits. Next up is the blueberry banana smoothie. Pour 2 cups of kefir into your blender, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 or 2 bananas, and around 6 cubes of ice. Blend it up and enjoy. Seriously, so simple and so good. I know, you're thinking, wait, you said 2 ways to make a kefir smoothie. But surprise, I'm showing you a 3rd way. This is a peanut butter banana smoothie. So in your blender, place 1.5 cups of kefir, 1 banana, and an 1/8 cup of peanut butter. You can do the peanut butter to taste. I like a lot, and my favorite is the all-natural creamy peanut butter from Costco. Add in some honey to taste, and around 12 ice cubes. To any of these smoothies, you can add chia seeds, ground flaxseed, or I like to add this prebiotic powder, which you can find at culturedfoodlife.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and add some chia seeds to our peanut butter banana smoothie, and then blend it all up. And that's the last of the 3 smoothies. I hope you give these all a try. They are seriously so good. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.